This is my take on a Polish boy sandwich. Usually they have sausage, coleslaw, and french fries, and then a ketchup and a hot sauce on top. What I'm going to do is fry our french fries first. I have my oil on 400 degrees. I'm going to fry our french fries first till they're golden brown. I have skinless Polish sausage here. Then we're going to put it on a bun and some ketchup, and you can put hot sauce on it if you want. And we're going to deep fry the sausage too once the french fries are done. So we're going to wait till those are golden. Take them out. Only take a couple minutes. Like I said, the fryer's on 400 degrees. Once the french fries are nice and crispy, take them out of the oil, let them drain. Just for a couple seconds. Get all the oil off. Just put them on a plate. Then we wait for our oil to heat back up to 400 degrees. Sausage, you can use kielbasa too. I always get the skinless. Just drop it in. Let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Once it gets nice and done, then we'll take it out. Once your skinless sausage is nice and brown on the outside, said it took 5 minutes, and take it out of the grease, drain it, put it on a plate. See how nice and golden it is. Then all you do is put the sausage on a sandwich bun, just like that. Some of the french fries on. Put them on the side. Put them on top. Then you add your ketchup to your liking. Just back and forth. And that is what I call a Polish baby sandwich, because my kids don't like coleslaw, so usually a Polish boy sandwich has coleslaw before you put on the french fries. But I call this a Polish baby because a lot of kids don't like coleslaw, so we leave it off. And that is your easy deep fried sausage french fry sandwich. I hope you like this easy recipe. Like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.